was bigger.
Are you gonna do your cinnamon roll dance?
No. Cinnamon roll dance, cinnamon roll dance.
If we go on a bike ride,
Look at her mouth. She can't even hardly close it.
She's all out. Smile
Matthew,
at Daddy. Give Daddy a smile, Amelia.
Hey.
Cinnamon roll dance.
Cinnamon roll dance.
I got my cinnamon. I got my roll. I got my cinnamon.
Look at that caramel roll and chocolate milk. Life couldn't get much better.
I think this is the best.
You remember how you were talking about that blood stuff last night? And the caramel's kind of rolling down her cheek like the blood.
I think this is the best day of Amelia's life.
Probably.
At least food-wise.
Food wise roll.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Look it. I just called food wise
Did you put another piece in there?
No, it's still the same piece. She's working on.
What movie?
I was thinking because now it doesn't.
Yeah, it's too big of a piece, Amelia.
It came running down all the way to here. Just like that. Just here.